Greetings, Akers here, the tie guy. Today we're going to be pairing a red with some white and blue, so a red, white, and blue Zegna tie with a light blue Brooks Brothers shirt and a navy blue Zegna suit. This is a brand new Zegna tie I actually just got. Let me take the paperwork off. Just got this maybe 2 weeks ago. I haven't had a chance to wear it yet. So it's one of the thinner Zegna ties, which a thin Zegna tie is still pretty thick. Just has a nice, luxurious feel to it. The pattern is kind of like a geometrical little kind of rounded squares with white, with little more smaller squares inside of the white. There's a lot of detail to it. And it's red, white, and blue. I thought it would look good paired up against this light blue shirt. And of course you can always do a navy blue suit with anything. Not a big review today because it's a standard Zegna. I wear a lot of Zegna ties. You've seen them before. Just a high quality, very, very nice Italian made silk tie. So it's tied up, see what it looks like. Today we're going to be, I actually grabbed the wrong shirt. I have two blue shirts that are exactly the same. One with regular buttons and one with French cuffs, and I grabbed the wrong one. I was getting red. I was like, well, you know what? These cuff links here, they got some red in them. Let me get it where you can see it on the camera. They'll look good with this tie, I think, so I decided to just go ahead and go with that. But I don't wear cuff links every day. All right, let's take a look here. With Zegna ties, with their thinner silk ties, I'm usually tying them somewhere around this range as far as my spot. So let's tie this up, see what it looks like. Come in close. So we take the long part of the tie over top, behind, up and through. Then we go around behind, and then we come up and over, and then back through. Now we create what we call a little pocket here after our checkpoint. This is what I call a checkpoint. We're going to look and make sure that the tie is coming together, a nice triangle. Come over top, and then go back and behind and through. And then we push the tie through that little pocket we created. Hold the top of the pocket and pull the tie down through. And now we adjust the tie. So we're going to hold the knot and pull down the long part, and that's what tightens the knot. And then we hold the knot and pull in the short part. And let's see where we are as far as length goes. I like the bottom of the tie to come between the top and the bottom of the belt buckle. So let's take a look at that. Looks like it's coming just past the top of the belt buckle, so it's absolutely perfect. Let's put the color down and see what this looks like. Need to do a couple little adjustments here. But boy, that tie came together. The knot came together really nice. One thing about Zegna ties, they do tie a really nice knot, and the knot stays all day long. So the look should be scrolling across the bottom of your screen, but I'm going to go over it with you here once I put the suit coat on. We're pairing this with a light brown pair of Salvatore Ferragamo shoes, very light brown, matching a light brown Ferragamo belt, went with a gunmetal belt buckle. So we have a navy blue Zegna suit. We have a light blue Brooks Brothers shirt. We have a red, white, and blue Zegna tie. Let's put this behind here a little bit. And by the way, that noise you hear right now is Zegna. Zegna is my dog's name. So Zegna, be quiet. So we're navy blue suit, light blue shirt, red, white, and blue tie, light brown belt, light brown shoes, and I am ready for work.